swirling wind, dude, looking at the two sets of flags I got going on. I would only give that about an 8-mile-an-hour wind. About a quarter value. I'm going to stick with our 1.5. Alright, so downrange, I got a tiny can of shaving cream today. This can of shaving cream is about the size of the pop can. This is the dollar store shaving cream can instead of the Dollar Tree shaving cream can. So, should give us a nice big pop, give us the fun of shooting a shaving cream can, but a little more challenging downrange at 1,150 yards. Got the custom 6 Creed, 108 grain ELDMs. Alright, so here we go. Directly in front of the IPSC steel. Alright, impact. I held right above the can, and looking at the impact, that looked to be right, like almost dead on where she landed. That was a good wind call. Okay, wind picked up. That went just off the left. I think this is going to be a wind that we're going to have to hold instead of dial. This thing is changing fast. Okay. Held just a touch much on that. Okay, just off left side. Oh, right above it. Right above the can. Bring that down one more. Stacked on top of the last one. This is fun. This is super challenge with this wind. Okay, I didn't hold quite enough, and that one went just off left edge. I think. Could be wrong. It definitely went off left. Either that or it was just to the left of the can. Okay, we're died down now. There it is. There it is. Nice. Did that in 9 shots with a wind like that. I will take that all day. Yeah, that was fun. I know I say that a lot. This is my passion, obviously. I really enjoy this, but that was a ton of fun. I love shooting in challenging winds. That's where you really get what long-range shooting is all about. Like I've said many times, anybody can shoot with no wind, but you find out, you can really tell somebody's experience level on how they can handle making wind calls. Alright, all in all, this was a good day. Good day. Yeah. Man. Maybe, I don't know, just thinking out loud here, but the dollar store cans, they're smaller by a significant margin, but man, they explode. Holy smokes. Ugh. We got there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of the 9, 2 off plate, 7 on. That was a fun shot with a lot of wind to contend to there. Alright. Just to show how much that 6mm that went into here tumbled, here's the entrance. It made 2 extra holes as it tumbled through, and there's the exit. So definitely tumbled as soon as it entered. That's pretty cool to see.